The long-awaited heavyweight showdown between Anthony Joshua and Tyson Fury is moving closer to reality, but boxing fans in the United Kingdom could be disappointed as reports suggest that highly anticipated Battle of Britain clash may take place in the United States. The fight, which has been discussed for years and remains one of the biggest possible matchups in modern boxing, is reportedly being planned for a major American venue, with Madison Square Garden in New York emerging as the leading candidate to host the event. Negotiations surrounding the fight have reportedly shifted away from the United Kingdom, with streaming giant Netflix playing a major role in discussions about the location and timing of the bout. Sports Illustrated reporter Chris Mannix said it was almost certain that the fight would take place in the United States, adding that organizers are considering a Friday night date instead of the traditional Saturday schedule usually associated with major British boxing events. One date reportedly being considered is November 20th, with organizers looking to avoid competition for major college football covering in the United States. The possible move has created debate among boxing supporters, especially in Britain, where many fans believe the historic fight should take place at the Wembley Stadium in London. For many British boxing followers, a Joshua versus Fury fight represents one of the biggest events in the country's sporting history and should be staged in front of the home crowd. However, financial considerations appear to be influencing the decision, with American broadcasters and global audiences seen as a key factor in selecting the venue. Both Joshua and Fury have kept the fight alive by returning to winning forms after previous setbacks. Tyson Fury, aged 37, recently returned to action with a victory over Marius Wash in Thailand, stopping his opponents to demonstrate that he remains a major force in the heavyweight division. Anthony Joshua, aged 36, also secured a comeback victory after overcoming a difficult start against Christian Pregan in Jeddah. Joshua was knocked down twice in the opening round, but recovered strongly to win by knockouts. Their victories have renewed interest in the potential clash between the two British heavyweight stars. The financial scale of the fight is expected to be enormous, with reports estimating that the total purse could exceed €100 million. Because of the size of the event, promoters and investors are looking for a venue that can generate maximum global revenue. However, the possible decision to stage the fight in America has created tension among boxing supporters. Joshua's promoter, Eddie Hearn, previously stated that the contract with Joshua includes a requirement for the fight to take place in the United Kingdom. There has been some murmurings of the fight taking place in the United States. The contract significantly states that the fight must take place in the UK, Hearn previously said. Despite that position, Saudi boxing figure Turki Al-Ashkish, who has become one of the most influential figures in global boxing negotiations, reportedly prefers a United States location. The reason is believed to be the opportunity to maximize the fight's America's television audience and increase commercial returns. Madison Square Garden, one of the most famous sporting arenas in the world, has hosted some of the boxing's greatest moments throughout history. A Joshua versus Fury's fight at the New York's venue would place the event on a global stage and potentially attract millions of viewers internationally. However, critics argue that the fight's cultural significance belongs in Britain. Many fans believe Wembley Stadium will provide the perfect setting for the historic meeting between two fighters who have represented British boxing at the highest level. Sports Illustrated Chris Mannix criticized the possible move, describing it as a disappointment for British boxing supporters. He argued that choosing America over the UK would represent a major rejection of fans who have waited years to see the two fighters compete. The rivalry between Joshua and Fury have captured the imagination of boxing fans for more than a decade. Previous attempts to arrange the fight collapsed despite both fighters repeatedly expressing interest in facing each other. Joshua's former training partner, Richard Rehet-Poher, revealed that Joshua has been preparing mentally and physically for a Fury fight on or off for about 5 years. The repeated delays have only increased anticipation, with fans eager to finally see the two heavyweight champions settle their rivalry inside the ring. A victory for either fighter would significantly affect their legacy. Joshua, a former two-time heavyweight world champion, would look to prove that he remains among the elite fighters after recent defeats. Fury would aim to strengthen his reputation as one of the greatest heavyweight boxers of his generation. While discussions continue between promoters, broadcasters, and organizers, no official date or venue has been confirmed. The final decision will depend on negotiation involving financial agreements, broadcasting rights, and contractual obligations. Whether the fight takes place in New York, London, or another major city, the Joshua vs. Fury showdown remains one of the most anticipated boxing events in years. For boxing fans around the world, the wait continues for the official announcement of a fight that has been talked about for more than a decade. What do you think? Should Joshua vs. Fury happen in the United Kingdom, or should organizers choose the United States for a bigger global audience? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to First News Nigeria. Thank you.